I bet you didn't know hailstones can grow in two different ways. Let's dive in and find out how. When thunderstorms kick in, raindrops get a wild ride up into the sky and freeze in super cold areas. This is how hailstones start. There are two ways these icy bits can grow: wet growth and dry growth. In wet growth, a tiny ice piece called a hailstone nucleus bumps into supercooled water droplets. These droplets don't freeze immediately, capturing air bubbles and creating a partially clear hailstone. Cool, right? Dry growth, on the other hand, happens when the hailstone collides with liquid water drops that freeze instantly onto its surface. This process gives hailstones their layered look. Now that you know the science, if your car got dinged up in the recent hailstorm, we've got your back. Angelo Dent Removal Inc. is here to make those dents disappear and your smiles reappear. Call us today at 325-703-6149 or visit us at 2315 Sherwood Way, San Angelo, Texas. Let's get your car looking great again.